Hi everybody. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Riley. Welcome to my garden, and today we're going to be cooking up some sauteed bok choy. This recipe is really quick. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. The only ingredients I use: bok choy, some chopped up garlic, 1 or 2 cloves, salt and pepper to taste, and some olive oil. All I'm doing now is just separating the stem from the leaf on each one of these. And then I'll chop these up into bite-sized pieces, and we'll start cooking that first. Wow. 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let that heat up a little bit, and then we're going to add the chopped garlic to this and let that garlic cook to a golden brown. Then we'll add in these bigger chunks of bok choy stem. Let that cook for 3 to 4 minutes before we finish it off with the bok choy leaves. And the leaves, we only need to cook those for 1 to 2 minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And that garlic starting to sizzle. We don't want to burn the garlic, so I like to keep it on medium heat. I don't even put it on medium high, just medium. Make sure I'm not overcooking this garlic. And we're going to let that get a little bit golden brown. Starting to turn now, and it's the perfect time to add in our larger bok choy chunks. And these, turn it down a little bit. We're going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes, just until they start to look like they're getting a little bit translucent. That looks great to me. They'll still have a little bit of crunch to them. Final step, add our bok choy leaves. We're going to mix this all up. We're going to add a little bit more salt and pepper, and this is going to be done in about 2 to 3 minutes. Stove off, and there it is. Wonderful, easy, sauteed bok choy with garlic, salt, and pepper. Perfect addition to any meal.